Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela and in today's video I am going to share this very powerful immunity drink with you guys. Since monsoon is around the corner and the weather has been acting up lately, it's very easy for all of us to fall sick, and with the whole COVID-19 situation that's going on, we should try and avoid getting sick as much as possible. Even the usual sardi khasi will create a panic situation in the whole house. I'm going to share this very potent immunity drink that has a lot of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. It is packed with antioxidants and it helps your body fight off all the infections. Also, this drink boosts your immunity a lot and it'll help clear your skin out. It'll help detoxify your body. Those are all the other benefits that it provides, along with boosting your immunity very much. Also, putting a disclaimer out there that this drink will not cure or prevent corona whatsoever. It might not. I don't know. I haven't tested that out. So even if you have this drink and you get corona, please don't come bashing out to me saying that you got corona even after drinking this. So just putting it out there. Also, this drink has very powerful ingredients like tulsi, haldi, ginger, kalonji and all of that. These ingredients when combined together create this very potent immunity drink. If you are someone who commutes for work, then I'd suggest you have this drink every day, 30 minutes prior to your breakfast, on an empty stomach obviously. And even if you are not someone who commutes to work, then you can have this drink. But if you are someone who commutes, then I'd suggest you have this drink without fail. If you are having any symptoms of cold and cough, then you can have this drink twice a day, once in the morning and once 4 hours after you have your lunch. So that's again on an empty stomach. So without too much badbad, let me show you guys how I make this drink. So these are the ingredients that we are going to need to prepare this drink: a mortar and pestle, a saucepan and a glass of water, 1/4 teaspoon of kalonji, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 inch of ginger, 5 to 6 tulsi leaves, a pinch of salt and a few drops of lemon juice. Now take a mortar and pestle and transfer all the ingredients except the lemon and then grind it into a fine paste. If you cannot get the fine paste consistency, I'd suggest adding 2 teaspoons of water to it and then grind it again until it becomes a very fine paste and all the ingredients blend into each other. Once all the ingredients are grinded well, transfer the paste into a saucepan with 1 cup and a little bit more water. So after that, switch on the flame to high and transfer the saucepan onto the gas and let this concoction boil for good 5 to 7 minutes. So once that is done, strain your drink into a cup. Add a few drops of lemon juice and stir the mixture well. That is it guys. Enjoy your drink. Do try this out at home and let me know in the comment section below how it worked out for you. Thank you so much for tuning in today guys. Love you. Bye.